Hello everyone, my name is Julia and I'm going to help you download and install the Gpost app. Gpost supports all iPhones, iPads, all Android mobile phones, Android tablets, and computers that have browsers installed. Gpost also works with earlier Android and iOS versions. Gpost is compatible with the following latest stable internet browsers: Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. If your mobile phone or tablet is not running the required version or above, you will need to update the device's software before downloading the app. The Gpost app is available for download through both the App Store and Google Play Store. Launch your App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Search for Gpost. It will look like this. Install the Gpost app. Make sure you allow location services. The Gpost app works best when location services are on. Always remember, Gpost will never share, sell, or offer your information to anyone else. Launch the Gpost app and tap the Sign Up button. If you accidentally tapped Sign In, you have the Sign Up link located at the bottom of our login screen. Now let's register your address. Choose your country, either Australia or USA. Note, by default, Gpost set the country to be the same as the region of your mobile device. Provide your street address here. No need to add apartment or unit number yet. That comes next. Then toggle the Yes/No button to confirm whether your address is a unit or an apartment. Confirm your address type by toggling either residential, commercial, or educational. Then select Next. Now, let's verify your mobile number. Enter your mobile number, then tap the Send Me a Verification button. Enter the verification code, then select Next. If you don't receive the verification code, you can request another after 60 seconds. Finally, let's select the publishers to follow or skip. Choose publishers that you want to know by toggling the button adjacent to the publisher to the on position. Keep in mind, there may not be many publishers available yet in your area, but you will be notified as publishers begin sharing alerts. Then select Next. Now, let's create your account. First, create a username of between 3 to 16 characters. Then create a password of between 8 to 16 characters. Then confirm the password. Note, you will be directed to update the field parameters should the rules for creating a username and/or password are not met. Toggle the button at the bottom of the screen to the on position to register with Gpost, thereby adhering to the terms and conditions and privacy policy of gpost.com. Then select the Register button at the bottom of the screen. There you go. You are now more involved in managing your own safety. Watch the next video to learn how to add contacts, emergency contacts, create groups, and circles. Thanks for watching. You can find a downloadable version of this video in the link below.